After having discussed articles, now we will start with demonstratives. Determiners, second type, demonstratives, this, that, these, those, we will learn to use. This and these refer to persons or objects close by. This is used before singular nouns and these before plural nouns. This glass has to be washed. These flowers are for you. That and those refer to persons or objects at a distance. That is used before singular nouns and those before plural nouns. That car belongs to my brother. Those paintings are very colorful. This and that can be used before the countables also. This junk food is not fit to be eaten. That water is clean. So with this, here we have one more exercise to be filled with this, that, these, those. I'll send you a pic later. The third type we have is possessives. Possessives: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives show whom a thing belongs to. Read this table to revise the use of possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. As I have already taught you that the word which we can use with a noun is always an adjective, and a word which is used in place of a noun is always a pronoun. So here we have persons, singular number, first person I. For that, possessive adjective is my, whereas possessive pronoun is mine. Second person is you, and for that, possessive adjective is your, whereas possessive pronoun is yours. Third person, he, she, it, and for he we have his and his as both adjective and pronoun. For she we have her as adjective, hers as pronoun, and it, its as adjective and its as pronoun. Plural number. Earlier we had singular number, now we are having plural. First person we. For we, the possessive adjective we use is our and possessive pronoun we use is ours. Second person you, your, yours. Third person they, their, theirs. Next we have distributive determiners: either, neither, each and every. Let us read the uses of these words. Either has two meanings. It means choice between the two. You can use either notebook, any of the two notebooks. Either car can be used, any of the two cars. Also, either means the both. Trees are planted on either side of the street, means both the sides. Neither, it is the negative of either. It means neither one nor the other. Neither student deserves our support, means none of them. Neither table is any good. They are both too small. None of the tables is good. Each, it means one of the two or more. Each must get a share. The principal encouraged each student. Next we have every. Generally we get confused between each and every. So every is used for the number exceeding 2. Here the number is large. Every person wants to be successful. It is used for a large number. Every person means every person on the world. in the world on the earth. But the student, if we talk about, it means a small number, 30, 35 students. So we can say each student. Now you have to fill up the blanks with the help of either, neither, each and every. Then next we have is quantifiers, which tells us the quantity. Telling quantity, we need the words like a few, a little, much, many, a lot of, most, some, any, enough and others. So here a table is shown to make us clear about the uses of all these words. Some of the words are used only with uncountable nouns, and they are how much, a little, a bit of, a great deal of, and a large amount of. Whereas some words can be used with both uncountable and countable nouns. How much, how many, no, none, not any, some or any, a lot of, plenty of, lots of. Some words are used with only countable nouns. They are how many, a few, a number of, several, a large number of, a great number of. With countable nouns. With uncountable nouns, we have to write a great deal of or a large amount of. Instead of number, we need to use amount. Quantifiers tell us something about number or quantity. Quantifiers like many and several suggest number. They are used with the countables. Many and several. Many flowers, several trees. Quantifiers like much and a little suggest quantity. They are used with the uncountables. Quantifiers like some and any can be used with both the countables and the uncountables. Some boys, some tea, any money, both countables and uncountables.